Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to resize Google Drawings. There are a few different ways to do this depending on whether you need exact dimensions or just want to quickly adjust the canvas size, so I'll walk you through all three methods. The first method is for when you need precise dimensions. Click File in the top menu bar, then scroll down and select Page Setup at the bottom of the menu. You'll see a dialog box open showing your current page setup. It defaults to Standard 4:3. Click that drop-down and you'll see preset options like Standard 4:3, Widescreen 16:9, and Widescreen 16:10. For exact custom dimensions, click Custom. Next, choose your measurement unit from the drop-down. You can pick inches, centimeters, points, or pixels. Enter your desired width and height in the input fields that appear. Once you've got your numbers in, click Apply to confirm. The canvas will immediately resize to your specified dimensions. This method is perfect if you're creating something for social media or need a specific print size. If you just need to quickly make the canvas bigger or smaller without worrying about exact measurements, you can drag the corner handle. First, if you're making the canvas taller, go to the View menu and choose a smaller zoom percentage to create more room on your screen. Now, hover your mouse over the striped corner at the bottom right of the canvas. You'll see your cursor change to a double-headed arrow when you're in the right spot. Click and hold, then drag the corner diagonally to resize the canvas. Release when you're happy with the size. The document might auto-adjust the zoom level after you resize, so you can go back to View and readjust if needed. Now, if you've already got elements on your canvas and you want to resize without distorting them, here's what to do. Press Ctrl-A to select everything on the canvas. That's Command-A if you're on Mac. Then press Ctrl-X to cut everything. Command+X on Mac. You'll see all your elements disappear. Next, click File and choose Page Setup. Then follow the steps I showed in the first method to resize your canvas to the dimensions you want. Once that's done, press Ctrl-V or Command+V on Mac to paste everything back in. Your elements will reappear at their original size on the resized canvas. No stretching or distortion. Quick note, the default canvas size in Google Drawings is 960 by 720 pixels. If you're printing, use inches or centimeters as your unit. If you're making web graphics, stick with pixels. Thanks for watching.